welcome to our podcast. I'm pleased to introduce myself. My name is Putu Michelle Gracia Ernesto. Hi. With my student ID 103062 500 122. And today I'm joined by my awesome friends. Please introduce myself.
Hey guys, my name is Haidar Idris and my student ID is 1030 62 500 108.
Hi, my name is Azara Desa Smita with my student ID 10 30 62 500 116.
Hi, my name is Lara Anggraini with my student ID 10 30 62 500 133.
And we're all from freshmen from the IT major at Telkom University. Today we're going to talk about our hit or hobbies, interests, and talents, and why we chose this major. Okay, guys. First, let's talk about hit. Okay, hobbies, interests, and talents. So we started from Haidar.
Okay.
So Haidar, what do you keep outside busy of classes?
Yeah. Well, to me, programming and editing are extremely rewarding hobbies, and I'm interested at web development because I love building things from scratch. Regarding talent, I think I have a creative personality because of my experience as an editor in high school. I'm also quite good at problem solving, which is extremely important in coding.
That's cool, Haidar. As for me,
Thank you.
my hobby is designing, and I'm interested to develop UI UX design in the future.
Wow.
So my talent is understanding complex problems and explaining them in a fairly simple way. So I like making things easy for people to understand.
That's cool.
My hobby is reading books, especially the somewhat interesting romance stories. So my talent is that I can adapt easily to new environment, and I really enjoy working in group. So I think have comparative personality is key for our major.
Okay, now it's your turn, Michelle. What is your kids?
Okay, so actually I enjoy listening to music because it's make me relax, and also I am interested in how technology can improve communication between people. Since
cool.
I'm used to being an MC, my friends say I have a natural talent for public speaking, and I want to combine communication skills with technologies to create a significant discourse that everyone can understand.
Well, I agree with your friend because
Yes.
I think you have a good communication and public speech.
Thank you, that's a lot. Okay, so we're all from IT students right now, but why we choose this major?
Okay, that's a good question.
So we're gonna start it from there.
Yeah.
Apart from the prospect, I choose IT because technology is extremely rampant nowadays.
Okay.
I saw many companies digitalizing their business, and it's quite impressive.
Oh, I see.
So I want to create innovation that give a significant impact on many industries.
Oh, that's good.
That's cool.
How about you, Lina?
For me, it was a mix of my parents and encouragement and my own motivation. So I see technology opportunity future for competition in this work world, and I want to conduct future at a big company to make my family proud.
How
Okay.
about you?
I think I have a big passion for technology, and my uncle also a successful engineer in a big company. He's really inspired me so much, and I see that IT has broad job prospects. So I have a dream to work for BUMN and be the software engineer and create the study systematic study to a large scale innovation.
Okay, Michelle, you mentioned combining communication and tech earlier. So is that why you chose IT?
Exactly. I actually inspired by tech CEOs who are also remarkably eloquent speakers, and I believe that in this scientific community, being able to communicate to technology to human resources is a skill that will save time and energy for many people.
Okay.
Okay, lastly, let's talk about our first weeks here. Okay.
It's a treatment, right?
Yes, and Lira, how has your experience been so far?
I was really nervous because I did have many friends, but through your intensive study in group work, and I have met many great people like you guys.
Nice to meet you. Okay, next is me. Okay.
Now your turn.
For me, it's quite exhausting but very exciting at the first week as freshman, and it's really busy for me because I'm learning new things every day. But even though it's kind of exhausting and a bit tired, I'm enjoying the process.
Okay, and I was a bit overwhelmed with group work at first. So it was fairly difficult to manage, but I'm learning. I'm learning to adapt and take it one step at a time. And how about you, Michelle? You always look like you have it all together.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, trust me, I don't.
Okay.
I have to manage some lectures, the material from lectures, and it's quite difficult to handle. So I feel a bit overwhelmed,
Okay.
and I make sure to do a detailed study by taking notes in every class, so I can review them at home. Yeah, it's a lot, guys, but we can do this. Okay. Well, that's all for our podcast today. Yay! We have shared our passions, our reasons for being here, and our messy but fun first week.
Yes.
Thank you for listening, and see you guys.
See you.
See you.